What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how I create a professional music studio poster inside the Adobe Photoshop. I'm not going to try to force anything here, but I want to show you how I create mine and probably you might find it useful for you. So I'm sure it's gonna take less than 5 minutes because I've already spent so much time in preparing those stuffs and everything that I'm gonna use in this designing, and this is what I do always. So as you can see in my Photoshop here, I have these two artboards, and the first artboard is for the designing that I'm going to create right now, and the second artboard I have already placed the stars and everything that I've prepared it for my designing. I have this wireframe, I have colors, I have gradients, I have fonts. So it's just a matter of combining them now to have the end product that is our music studio poster. So let us start and see what are we going to create. I'm going to start by putting the background, and this is now where our gradient is going to be used. I'll put the shape here and to be used as a background, and I want to overlay it with gradient, and I choose this gradient that I've prepared. And after here now I want to place some pictures that I'm going to use, and I've already prepared them in this folder over here, and I have only two main pictures that are going to use: this microphone and this board over here. And this now is what is going to show me where I'll put my text and other shapes. So after placing my pictures like this, I'm going now to place shapes. As you can see in my designing, I have two main shapes, which is rectangle shape and circles, and the manipulation is what made this to look in different styles. So I'm going to manipulate these rectangles and shapes in order to see now what are we going to do. After preparing these shapes and their alignments, now it's time for filling the rest of the designing. So I want to place now at the top here, I want to write the main heading, which is the name of our studio, and here down I want to write 2025 offers, and this small circle is where now I will put my 50% offer for 2025. In this manipulated rectangle here down is where now I will put my current prices and each and everything that is almost the main aim of the poster. And here down, we have to put now the contacts, and guess what? We are going to place the social media logos to make now the contact section of our poster. And guess what? We have this circle over here where now I'm going to place the location details of the music studio, where now I'll put the location icon, GPS icon, and after that I'm going to write the exact location here down by just writing the text in. So after here now, I'm going to, guess what? I'm going to combine each and everything. I'm going to merge by hitting Alt, Control, Shift, and E to merge all layers into one layer so that I can go now inside camera raw filter and try to manipulate different stuffs in order to make our poster attractive. And inside camera raw filter, I'm going to adjust some exposures and different styles in order to make it more attractive, and I'm going to finalize. And before exporting, the main thing that you should, not you, that I always consider is to convert each and everything to a smart object so that it will help me not to lose the details, color, and everything that I've created. So each and everything will be exported as it is right now in the designing. So after this stage, I guess it has added something in your designing journey. And if it is like that, then give me thumb up and hit the, guess what? Hit the subscribe button for more. What? See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.